Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Many of my friends requested me to make a video on last rank details of round 2 counseling. In this video, you will be able to see the order in which different candidates selected the colleges and the last rank details. In this video, I included a PDF file in that you will be able to see rank details of different candidates, allotted institute and the course they selected. And if you have any queries, you can mail me at ashamirigeorge93@gmail.com. This is a round 1 counseling and you can see from rank 1 to 14. Rank 1 selected King George Lucknow and it is oral and maxillofacial surgery. Rank 2 again King George Lucknow and surgery seat. Rank 3 Maulana Azad ortho and rank 4 Goa operative dentistry. Rank 5 Maulana Azad prosthetics. Rank 6 Institute of Medical Science ortho. Rank 7 Institute of Medical oral and maxillofacial surgery. Rank 8 Maulana Azad New Delhi operative dentistry. Rank 9 Institute of Medical Science ortho. Rank 10 postgraduate Rohtak. Rank 11 GDC Trivandrum operative dentistry. Rank 12 Institute of Medical Science oral and maxillofacial surgery. Rank 13 Nagpur GDC oral and maxillofacial surgery. Rank 14 GDC Kozhikode ortho. Rank 15 GDC Trivandrum ortho. Rank 16 GDC Calicut operative dentistry. Rank 17 Rohtak operative dentistry. Rank 18 Rohtak again ortho. Rank 19 GDC Chennai ortho. Rank 20 GDC Kottayam operative dentistry. Rank 21 King George Lucknow ortho. Rank 22 GDC Mumbai prosthetics. Rank 23 King George Lucknow prosthetics. Rank 24 GDC Trivandrum. Rank 25 ortho GDC Lucknow, King George Lucknow. And rank 26 SCB Cuttack orthodontia. And rank 27 GDC Chennai ortho. Rank 28 GDC Calicut periodontics. But there the seat has been surrendered and in the second allotment the same candidate got endo seat in GDC Kottayam. And rank 29 again Nair Hospital ortho. Rank 30 Rohtak oral and maxillofacial surgery. Rank 31 King George Lucknow endo seat. And rank 32 Rohtak prosthetics. Rank 33 Nagpur GDC Nagpur oral and maxillofacial surgery. Rank 34 GDC Bangalore orthodontia. Rank 35 Nair Hospital endodontics. Rank 36 King George Lucknow prosthetics. Rank 37 Institute of Medical Science operative dentistry. Rank 38 periodontics, but the seat has been surrendered. And in second allotment did not fill up any fresh choice. Okay. Now rank 40 GDC Kottayam oral and maxillofacial surgery. Rank 41 GDC Kottayam oral and maxillofacial surgery. 42 Aligarh ortho. 43 GDC Kottayam ortho. 44 GDC Mumbai endodontics. 45 Maulana Azad periodontics. 46 Maulana Azad oral and maxillofacial surgery. 48 Aligarh operative dentistry. 49 GDC Chennai endodontics. 50 again King George Lucknow prosthetics. 51 SCB Cuttack oral and maxillofacial surgery. 52 Institute of Medical Science prosthetics. 53 University College of Medical Science periodontics. 54 King George operative dentistry. 55 Kozhikode prosthetics. 57 but rank number 55 course in the second allotment didn't fill up any choice. I think that candidate might be opted for Kerala seats. And 57, Goa Dental College and Hospital, Orland Maxillofacial, again didn't fill up any choice in second allotment, so we opted for a state counseling. Again 58, King George Lucknow, seat surrendered, and in second allotment not allotted in All India Code. Okay, and rank 59, Maulana Azad, Periodontia. 62, Dr. R. Ahmed, Operative Dentistry. 63, GDC Chennai, Operative Dentistry. And 64, Lady Harding Medical College, Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. 65, Aligarh Prosthetics. 66, SCB Cuttack, Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. 67, Government College of Dentistry, Indore, that's in Madhya Pradesh, Ortho. 68, GDC Calicut, Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. 69, GDC Government Dental College and Hospital. They didn't mention the place, and it's orthodontia, but the seat has been surrendered. And in second allotment, the same candidate got ortho in SCB Cuttack. Okay, rank 70, King George Lucknow, Periodontics and Preventive Dentistry. 71, GDC Jaipur, Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. 73, Aligarh Periodontics, but seat surrendered, and in second allotment that student is not allowed. And 74, GDC Mumbai Prosthetics. 75, Nair Hospital, Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. 77, Dr. R. Ahmed, Orthodontia, but seat surrendered. In second allotment, the same candidate got selection in Endodontics, GDC Chennai. 78, Goa Dental College and Hospital, Prosthetics, but the candidate didn't report there. Then 79, GDC Trivandrum Prosthetics. And 80, GDC Nagpur, Operative Dentistry. 81, Jaipur, Operative Dentistry. 82, Aligarh Periodontia. 83, Prosthetics, GDC Ahmedabad. 84, second allotment, GDC Calicut Prosthetics. 85, GDC Trivandrum Maxillofacial Surgery, seat surrendered. Second allotment didn't fill fresh choice. 86, Ahmedabad Orthodontics, seat surrendered. In second allotment, prosthetics in Rohtak. 87, Ahmedabad Prosthetics. 88, Ahmedabad Maxillofacial Surgery. 89, Chhattisgarh Operative Dentistry. 90, GDC Bangalore Operative Dentistry. 92, GDC Chennai Maxillofacial Surgery. 93, Operative Dentistry, Ahmedabad. 95, Nagpur Prosthetics. 97, Ahmedabad Operative Dentistry. 98, GDC Mumbai Ortho. 99, Indore Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. 100, Jaipur Prosthetics. 102, GDC Kottayam. 103, Pondicherry. 104, Indore Prosthetics. 105, Ahmedabad Operative Dentistry. 106, Mumbai, GDC Mumbai Orthodontics. And 108, Aurangabad Prosthetics. 109, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh Operative Dentistry. 111, Nagpur Periodontics. 113, Aurangabad Operative Dentistry, but seat surrendered. 115, Aurangabad. So here I'll be showing you the rank details in the PDF form. So from rank 315, all the students are allotted in round 2. So in this PDF you will be able to see rank 15 is allotted in GDC Indoor Periodontia, the OBC candidate. Rank 316 allotted in GDC Patiala, that's in Punjab, again Periodontia OBC category. Rank 317 GDC Calicut Oral Pathology OBC category. Rank 318 R. Ahmed Kolkata. Rank 322 GDC Trivandrum Oral Medicine and Radiology OBC category. Rank 325 GDC Government Dental College and Hospital. I don't know the exact place. And Oral Medicine and Radiology. Okay, that's also OBC category. Rank 328 Postgraduate Rohtak Oral Pathology. Then rank 329 RIMS Government Dental College and Hospital Kadapa, Periodontia, OBC category. Rank 331 GDC Trivandrum Oral Pathology, OBC category. 338 Maulana Asad, OBC category, Oral Medicine. Then 340 Government Dental College and Hospital Jamnagar, Periodontia. Okay. Then 343 GDC Bangalore Community Dentistry, OBC category. 347 King George Lucknow Oral Medicine. Rank 351 Postgraduate Rohtak Preventive Dentistry. Rank 354 Regional Dental College Guwahati Periodontia. And 356 SCB Cuttack Preventive Dentistry OBC category. 359 Rohtak Oral Medicine and Radiology. 360 Goa Dental College. Then Raja Mutaya. In Raja Mutaya, fees is almost 8 lakhs per year. So in my first attempt, by mistake, I opted Raja Mutaya. But anyway, I didn't take admission in first allotment. Sorry, in first attempt. So most of you will be giving option for this college. This is a government college itself, but the fees is very high there. So be careful while giving options. Then rank 398 Aligarh Muslim University. In first allotment, he got oral and maxillofacial surgery. Okay. But rank 400 Nair Hospital Mumbai, second round oral medicine and radiology. Rank 401 second allotment oral medicine and radiology, GDC Aurangabad, OBC category. Rank 405 GDC Indoor Community Dentistry, OBC category. Rank 408 Government Dental College and Hospital Oral Pathology. Then GDC Bangalore 411 rank, that's oral pathology, that's also OBC category. Rank 412 Government Dental College and Hospital Ahmedabad Oral Medicine and Radiology, OBC category. Okay. Then rank 414 Oral Pathology. So from here you will be able to see students are getting oral pathology or oral medicine seat. Okay. In first allotment, rank 544 got GDC Kottayam. So most probably he will not be a general candidate. Okay. He or she. And rank 567 also got GDC Trivandrum Periodontics. Obviously he or she will not be general candidate. Okay. 589, most probably the candidate will be SCST. Okay. So from this PDF file, one thing is clear, that okay, that is rank from almost 300 and 22. Okay, most of the students are getting either oral pathology and oral medicine and radiology. Perio starts from 303. 297 is also periodontics. Okay, and one candidate 287 got perio in Aurangabad also. So priority of the candidates mainly oral surgery first, then endo or ortho prosto. Okay, and priority of the colleges: King George, Lucknow, Maulana Azad, Rohtak, GDC Mumbai, Nagpur, GDC Trivandrum, Kozhikode, like this. So hope you will be getting a fair idea about college selection and course selection through this video.